Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for StumbleGuys error code 000. The error reads, unauthorized login attempt. Try again later. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to enter the game. Some users have shared that they can't enter the game even after reopening it. According to our research, possibly the error is coming from the game because of any bug or issues with the system. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and restart your device. Simply close StumbleGuys completely, then turn off your device. Then wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Then relaunch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, check if you need to update the game. Simply open your App Store and search for StumbleGuys and see if an update is available. If yes, install the update, open the game again. At last, if nothing helps, then possibly the error is coming from the game because of any bug or issues with the system, so wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.